Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to make Hungry Shark in Scratch. We'll start by setting up our main characters and the game world. You'll need a shark sprite, some smaller fish sprites for the shark to eat, and a cool ocean background. Don't forget to create a score variable, setting its initial value to 0. This foundational setup is crucial for building a fun and interactive game experience. Now let's get our shark moving. You can program it to follow your mouse pointer or respond to the arrow keys for movement. The next step is crucial, detecting when your shark touches a fish. When a collision occurs, the shark eats the fish. This action should increase your score by 1 point, and the eaten fish should vanish, only to reappear somewhere else on the screen, ready to be caught again. To make the game more engaging, let's create dynamic food. Use the cloning feature to generate many fish sprites that appear randomly across the screen. You can even give them different speeds to add variety. Think about adding a game over condition, like a countdown timer or a limited number of lives. Finally, make sure your score is clearly displayed so players can track their progress throughout the game. To truly polish your Hungry Shark game, consider adding more challenges. Introduce different types of food, perhaps some worth 2 points and others worth just 1. You could also add larger, dangerous predators or static obstacles that the shark must avoid. Don't forget sound effects for eating fish and a game over sound. Finally, a simple title screen and clear instructions will make your game feel complete and professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.